Okay, so let's start. Hello, Cornell. Thank you for joining me here today for this interview. So, my name is Audrine, and I will be leading this discussion later. As I mentioned before in our chats, I'm a student from Harvard Extension School, and I'm working on a project for my user experience engineering course. Okay. This project is called Whalecome Onboard, which is an educational app that connects users like you to the incredible world of whales.
Yeah,
Okay, I would like to start by thanking you again for taking the time to join me here today. And your feedback will be very valuable to inform our no to inform me for the future design decisions. Okay, just
yeah,
to confirm, we estimate to keep this interview around 40 to 45 minutes. And does that work for you?
yeah, that's
Okay,
perfect.
so during this interview, I will ask you a few questions regarding yourself, and later on, I will also need you to help test the prototype of the app. Okay, so
Yeah,
please be aware that there are no right or wrong answers. The purpose of the interview is to hear about your genuine thoughts in order to help me guide or later design the directions as best as possible. So please feel free to give me your honest reactions.
no
So, with your
problem.
permission, I would like to record our conversation here today. The recording will be only used for my internal documentation and reviewing purposes. And I will not share it with anyone unless you're okay with that, because I might be sharing it on YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah,
So finally, I would like to confirm that you received the participant agreement form, which I shown you just now. Is
yes,
that correct?
yeah,
Yeah.
that's perfect.
And then if you haven't already, please sign it, which
Yes.
we will sign, and send it back to us the earliest convenience. So that's the end of the introduction. Do you have any questions?
Not at the moment.
Okay, great. So we can start with the interview. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So the interview guide. Okay. So let's start. It would be nice if you could briefly tell us a few things about you. Okay, I'll ask you. So, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling okay.
Feeling okay?
Yeah, feeling good.
Mm-hmm. So, can you give me a brief introduction of yourself, like maybe your background and how you get back to college, a bit of that
Yeah,
juggling with life.
yes. I'm Cornel Ori and I'm working in retail for over 15 years and I have decided to go back to college and I have started software development in Dundalk, and I'm just completing my first year uh, in a college, and in the same time, I'm still working in retail.
Okay, great. So, what does your typical weekend look like?
Typical weekend is about work, relaxing, and studying.
A lot of college work.
Uh, there is always for
Coding.
every day.
Okay, that's every day. Okay, so that's the end of our short interview. Um, Again, before we end this interview, is there any questions about the following interviews? Like,
Um,
we're gonna move on to some user testing on the prototype.
yeah, I think we can move
We
on.
can move
I'm
on.
ready.
Okay, you're ready. Yeah. Okay. So I have a list of tasks that I would like you to do. So I have two different designs on the prototype on the same app called Whalecome Onboard. So we will open up the first prototype, and then we'll go through the task list and see how
Okay.
good my app is.
Okay. Let's
Okay,
let's have a look.
let's start. So now we will move on to user testing the prototypes. I have two designs for this app Whalecome Onboard, and this one on the screen now is the first prototype, first design. I won't be able to tell you where to click, so you will need to figure out everything yourself. So now I have a list of 10 tasks for prototype 1. Are
Okay.
you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, so let's start. The first task. Can you find these two whales? The first one is called Migaloo, and the second one is called Old Tom, and add them to favorites.
Oh, Nicolo. Okay. I think it could be here, the whales,
Sometimes.
because it looked like a tail of a whale, and then and add to the favorites.
Yeah, you need to find two
So
whales,
the
Migaloo
old
and Old
whales, and then the Migaloo is here. I add to the favorite with the heart button.
Tom. Okay.
I go back and Old Tom. Old Tom was it? Okay. And heart again. Go back. And then I think it should be in the favorites.
You can try.
And it is in the favorites.
Okay,
Okay?
great. Okay, that's the first task.
Okay.
The next one, can you delete Migaloo from whale favorites?
Migaloo favorites. Migaloo. Delete.
No,
Until.
you need to. That's unlike, but there's a way to delete.
There's a way to delete. Select. Remove. Remove. Okay.
So that's
Yeah.
okay. That's your second
Okay.
task. Actually, I gave you some hints, so that's not good. When you're doing, I like that you're thinking out loud, which is
Yeah.
totally fine. I like that.
Yeah.
So the third question, can you find the behavior seen on a random whale, which where the whale was seen recently? So you wanna
So
yeah.
probably this one look like a map. And what is it?
You need to find the behavior seen on a random whale that was seen recently.
Probably in the map, and then is all of these ones are the. Is do I have to look for certain whales or?
The behavior seen. Did you find it?
Behavior. That's the name or?
Oh, I shouldn't. But yes, that's the behavior seen. So
this
can you
is.
tell me what behaviors are seen? Like in this case, actually, that's an additional question. But
Oh, okay, okay. This. Oh, okay. Like blowing, cruising, breaching. Is it that one? Or
okay, that's a really bad design then. So there's this dark circle, which are the ones that are seen.
oh,
These
and
are
those one didn't. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
so that's probably
Okay.
a bad design then. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question.
Okay.
Actually, you don't have to go back like all the time because sometimes the question is like related to the previous question.
Okay.
Like this one. So once you find that location, yeah,
Yes.
of that whale, can you add this whale location to save, like a favorites?
I think again as click on the heart,
Okay.
and do I have to check if it's in the favorites?
Oh, you don't have to check because
That's okay.
only the yeah.
That's
but
okay.
if you wanna
I
check,
I think it's this way.
Yeah, but if you want to check, I have
Then-
it implemented, so you can have a look
That's
in the
okay.
save here.
In the save. That's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, so next question, which is the fifth question. Can you find seal species and add harbor seal to favorites, please? Can you find seal species?
Seal species. So there's. I went to this coral icon, I think. So I guess all. I didn't know there are more
Okay.
sea creatures here, but there are. So there are the seals.
And you need to add harbor seal to
Oh.
favorites.
Okay. So I think it's the same way as with the whales. Go to the species, and then click on the heart. I think, is it that way?
Yes. Okay, so the next, number 6. Now you are curious about this whale species, yeah, called bowhead whales. Can you find the information about this whale, please?
Whale species,
Bowhead whales.
information. There are some information straight away in the species as well. That's good. And there are more information when I click on the.
You found it.
And I found it.
Great. Okay, the next 7 question. Can you find an article about whales written for this week?
I think I tried this. Is it brain?
Does it look like a brain?
I don't know. Anyway.
It is a brain.
So what I need to check?
You need
article.
to find an article about whales that is written for this week.
This week. So it's like I try and check fun facts. This one. This week, 15th of October. This week, gallery, documentaries. Article.
You actually found it already.
Did I found it? Yeah.
Yeah, but you didn't. No, you need to confirm about that.
Blackfish, Amber. No, that's. Are they articles here? Explore.
That's
Documentary. Then this is the article.
You think so?
Yeah, it's a kind of article work.
Okay. So, do you want to confirm this or you want to?
Yes, I can confirm that.
Okay. So the next is question number 8.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you check out 2 fun facts about whales?
2 fun facts. I have the fun facts here straight away, and 2. I have 1. It seems like there is, or is it these 2 supposed to be the?
That's an article.
That's the article. It is an article. I have 1.
I think that's my fault.
But to be honest,
So this is
I
supposed
cannot
to
change.
Yeah, this is supposed to go to the next slide after you click on the first one or like swipe. But there's
That's what
something
I'm
wrong with
trying
the
to do.
frame, and I'm not too sure why it's not working. But yeah, you're close.
It's okay.
You're able to find the fun fact 1.
I find 1.
Yeah. So number 9.
Okay.
Can you open the picture from the gallery?
Oh, I'm right here.
Okay.
So these are the pictures. Is it?
Yeah.
Is it
Can
like
you
that?
open a picture? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I think you got it.
So this one's supposed to be a picture with a
some caption.
Some caption.
Okay, the last question for this.
Mhm.
Can you choose a documentary to watch?
Probably it's this one where I've been before. And then there are the documentaries. It shows the length of the documentaries, date of the documentaries, and
That's how you,
and this is the way.
Okay, so can you go back to home?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the first prototype user testing done.
Okay.
I think you did great.
That's
So,
good.
you found most of the tasks. So now we can move on to prototype 2.
Okay.
We'll pause this video here and then we'll continue on in the second video. Okay, so now let's move on to prototype 2. It's a different design, and again we have 10 tasks to go through.
Mhm.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
ready.
So the first, okay, that's the landing page, which is good. So can you find a whale named Migaloo and read its unique traits?
Migulu. I check.
Actually, can you try again on the button? Because sometimes on the first time,
Finding whales, discover details. Okay, it's here.
and read its unique traits.
Unique, one of the only known all-white humpback whales,
Okay.
first spotted in 1991.
Can you add this whale to favorites?
Favorites?
Yeah.
I'm good in it. I think this one.
Yeah, you're
Is
really
that
good
correct?
at
Yeah.
adding to Okay.
Okay.
The next task is, can you find the same whale from favorites? Migaloo from favorites.
From favorites.
Yeah.
Finding. Ah. Favorites and Migulu.
Great, you found it. Okay. So the next task, the third one. Can you check out where the whales are live on map for 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month, please? So where
Whale
the whales
finding
are on a live map
on the live map.
for 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's whale sighting location and
Where the whales are on a live map,
spot whales
where the whales are live on a map. Yeah.
live. Okay. Is this one dropping the pin on the map? Select species, upload photo. You mean someone else where?
Where all the whales
Oh,
are
okay.
on
I have it. Go to sightseeing map of whales, and then this one is 1 day ago. This one is 1 week ago, and this one is 1 month ago.
between 1 month. Yeah. Okay, great.
Okay.
That's the task. Yeah.
Yeah.
And number 4, can you check the location and sighted date time of a random whale? I mean
Random
from the map, yeah.
random location.
Check the location and sighted date time.
I just clicked on one, and it shows the sighted
Date time.
date, time,
And the location.
and the location, the coordinates is here.
Okay, great. That's good. That's the task. And then number 5.
Add to the favorite.
That's
Okay.
not required. Okay, so you spot a bowhead whale. Okay, you spot one. Just
Okay.
you are on a boat. Okay, you saw one bowhead whale, and you would like to share it with other people. Okay,
Okay.
can you show me how to do it?
Yes. Uh, Again, spot,
Yeah. You
and
spot a
then
bowhead whale.
I just click on
Yeah.
anywhere.
Yeah, imagine you already dropped the
Okay.
pin there. Okay.
I drop the pin,
Mm-hmm.
select species.
Can you try again?
I go back again. Maybe this one is not working
There's
at the
something
moment.
wrong with the.
And then share.
Okay, there's something wrong with this. It should be connected, but that's a pity. But it's okay. That's my bad.
Should we go on?
Yes,
Move on.
we will move on.
Okay.
Okay, the next one is, can you find this whale species, okay, called bowhead whale, to check its reproduction? Find in whale species, this whale species called bowhead whale. Bowhead whale.
Marine species. I don't see that species. Marine species. Explore. Oh, it's here now.
So you need to
Have
find
to
a
go.
whale species called bowhead whale.
I
and
have
to
that.
check the reproduction.
Reproduction. That's here.
Okay.
When I
great.
click on the,
Like, yeah.
and that's on the favorite.
Okay, great. So, number 7. Can you find the fun fact about whales for today?
For today,
Yeah, the fun
did
fact.
you know? I think it's here. Did you know? Again, I'm not sure if it's today, but there is a fun fact about a bowhead humpback.
Okay, great. That's task 7.
Not eating much.
Unsure about if it's today or not. Yeah, okay.
I'm not sure about is it today. It doesn't show if it's today or not, but fun fact, that's for sure.
Okay, great. So, question number 9. No, actually, question number 8. Can you favorite this fact, this fun fact, and find it in favorites?
Okay.
That's what you like to do the most.
I have it
yeah.
in the favorites and have a look if it's here. And that's here.
You can check if you want.
Yeah.
So that's the one, okay?
And there is actually one more from last
but
month.
that's not clickable.
No.
So don't move away first.
Okay.
because I will move on to the next. So number 9, can you delete the fact that you just favorite?
Yeah. Press on the X button and press delete and it disappeared.
Great. So the last question. Can you find a picture and a video from the gallery, please?
Picture. These ones are the pictures, I think, and this one could be the video with the icon.
Okay.
And there are some favorites. Is that correct, or?
Do you want to click and check?
Oh, okay, yeah, that's 1 hour 20 minutes, and this one's, and there are more recommendations. Yep.
Okay, so can we go back to homepage?
Yes.
Or the first landing page?
Finding. Yeah.
Whales. Okay, that's all the
Yeah.
tasks for today. So I'll just do the closing straight away.
Okay.
Okay, so to end this interview, actually we ended the interview just now. So now to end the user testing,
Mm-hmm.
I would like to ask if you have any questions or concerns or any further thoughts that you might want to share with me, or about the app, or what do you feel about using these two different prototypes? Any thoughts?
I think
Like if you want to
both
say like,
both of them feels like natural in a way of adding to the favorites.
that's your favorite
It's
feature.
it's it's not only that one, but navigate through the app, and of course it's a prototype, so I'm considering that one as well. But it feels good, look good. Um, I'm not sure. Um, I like the first prototype personally.
Okay.
Um, I like how it like simple design in the homepage, and I think it's easier to navigate
Okay.
through the first one. This one is more like special design, but I don't think it's for a mass of people. It might, some people would favoritize this one. My thoughts, but both of them feels good and look good, I think.
Okay. So you prefer the first one?
I
Yeah.
prefer the first one
Do you want to
personally.
say like what's your favorite feature in any one of them? Like if there's a favorite feature or there's something that you really don't like, hate.
um, I wouldn't say any of them is hate. Of course it can be polished,
Which one?
uh, both of them.
Okay.
But I wouldn't say any of them is like hate. I like the first one because all the navigation bars and everything is straight away there, and then I like a creativity of the icons
On the first.
on the first one.
Okay.
So like uh, here in this version, I can see only the three dots, and then like have to click on it to see more options. On the first one, I can see straight away 5 different options, and then I can navigate through all of them. I like how it's combine all the like facts and all the information about the whales. It's interesting.
What is the hardest thing to find? Do you have any like?
Yeah,
that
I
you
think
find
in
it
the
really
first
hard?
one as well was maybe because of the wording was not that clear for me straight. But like what was it?
Article. Is
Article.
it?
Yeah.
I remember that one.
Article. But other than that, it's nothing. That's what I would change maybe,
The article. Make
or
it
maybe
bigger.
how it would ask the
Okay.
user.
I think there is one specific thing that I would like to ask about is the navigation bar.
Yes.
So between these two, you prefer the first one where it's like all shown out.
Yes.
It's easy.
Yes.
For this, it's not that
Of course,
great, is it?
this one could be nice as well as the explore more, and there are dots like
This is
maybe
like images
it's
that you can
sliding.
slide.
Yeah, sliding. That could be a different feeling.
Do you think there's too many buttons that to reach to certain things in prototype 2? Because I got that as a feedback in from one of my classmates.
It could be, But of course, like if the homepage are sliding pictures, and that one would straight away navigate to the certain areas where I want to go straight away. You know, that would
So
be a
you don't
different.
mind one extra button here, explore now, to
I
enter the actual page?
personally, I wouldn't mind that one if the feels and the experience is better, because with with an image and the sliding maybe short videos and interesting things uh, would
Might be okay.
might be okay.
Okay, that's really good feedback. So let's end this. So I need to end with a thank you. I would like to thank you for your time and all your insights. All of your answers and ideas will be a valuable contribution to my project. Okay, so thank you very much for your time, and I really appreciate it. If you like to view the recording, I'll be uploading this to YouTube, and I can share the link with you if you want.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
thanks again,
Yeah, no problem.
and we can end the recording.
It was a nice experience. Thank you.
Thank you.